Exercise 8.3, question number 1. In first question, we are having 4 bits. So, evaluate. So, everywhere in the 4 questions, if you see here, if you add the 18 degrees plus 72 in the question number 1, we will get as 90. Similarly, 26 and 64. If you add these both, we will get here 90. And 48 plus 42, also 90 degrees. 31 and 59 also, if you add 31 and 59 also, we get here 90 degrees. That means these all are based on the complementary angles. Now we are going to solve these problems. So first I am going to solve question number 4. So cosecant 31 degrees and secant 59 degrees, one angle is complement to other, so that first either first trigonometrical angle or second trigonometrical angle we can change. So instead of this 59 place, what we can write here, 90 minus 31. If 90 minus 31, we get the value as 59. Next step, cosecant of 31 minus, now secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. So cosecant 31 degrees. Now cosecant 31 minus cosecant 31 equals to 0. If we are coming to the question number 2, 48 plus 42 equals to 90 degrees. So either of the first angle or second angle we can convert in terms of complementary angle, that equals to cos 48 degrees minus sine of this 42 we can write as 90 minus 48, we can write 90 minus 48 equals to 42. Then cos 48 degrees minus sine 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. So sine 90 minus theta cos theta, so that we can write here this theta place we have 48, so cos 48. Now cos 48 minus cos 48 is 0 degrees. Next, if you see here, 26 plus 64 equals to 90. 26 plus 64, 90. So either in the place of numerator or denominator, we have to convert in terms of complementary angle. So tan of 26 degrees, I am changing in the place of denominator. Cot of, instead of the 64 place, I am writing as 90 minus 26. Now cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So tan 26 degrees by cot 90 minus theta is tan 26 degrees, both get cancelled, answer is 1. And in this question number 1, sine 18 degrees and cos 72, if you add these both, again we get here 90 degrees. Now numerator I am not changing anything, sine 18 degrees by cos of, instead of the 72 place, 90 minus 18. Now sine 18 by cos 90 minus theta equals to sine theta. So sine of 18 degrees, both get cancelled, answer is. Exercise 8.3, question number 2 in second Roman, question number 1. So if you see here, they have given tan 48 degrees, tan 23 degrees, tan 42 and tan 67. So what are the two angles can be added to get a 90 degrees? So 23 plus 67 we get as 90 degrees. 48 and 42, if you add, we get here 90 degrees. Now, so that either out of these two we can convert any one. So out of these both we can convert any one. So first we can write those values as side by side. Tan 48 into tan 42 degrees, tan 23 degrees into tan 67 degrees. Now tan 48 into tan, instead of this 42 place, replace with 90 minus 48. So 90 minus 48 equals to, we get as 42 degrees. Similarly, tan 23 degrees into tan, instead of the 67 place, write as 90 minus 23. Now tan 48 degrees into tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot 48 into tan 23 degrees into tan 90 minus theta is cos theta. Here theta place is 23, so that we can write as cot 23 degrees. Now we know here tan is the reciprocal of cot. So tan 48 degrees into cot 48 also we can write as 1 by tan 48. Tan 23 into cot 23 we can write as 1 by tan 23. Both get cancelled, both get cancelled. Final answer is equals to 1. Second Roman, second question. So here cos 38 into cos 52, sin 38 into sin 52. So sin is the complementary angle of cos. So cos 38 degrees, if you add these both we get as 90 degrees. If you add these both we get as 90 degrees. So either first terms or second terms, any one we can convert in terms of either cos terms or cos sin terms. So first term I am not changing anything. So second term, instead of the sin 38 place, sin of 90 minus 52 into second term sin of 90 minus 38. So 90 minus 52 we get as 38 degrees. 90 minus 38 we get as 52. Now cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos 52 into sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. So cos 38. Now if you see here cos 38, cos 52, cos 38, cos 52. So both get cancelled. So that equals to 0. Question number 3. Very important problem. If tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees and where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of angle A. So we know here tan theta equals to, also we can write as cot of 90 minus theta. Now instead of this theta place we have 2a. So this tan 2a we can write as cot of 90 minus 2a we can write. Now instead of this tan 2a place, replace with cot of 90 minus 2a. So cot of 90 minus 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees. Both sides we can do cancellation of cot and we can write here 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18 degrees. Minus 18 degrees transpose this side, 2a we can transpose that side. So 90 plus 18 equals to a plus 2a. Then 3a equals to 108. Then a equals to 108 by 3. Then a equals to 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. Therefore, angle A equals to 36 degrees. Question number 4. If tan A equals to cot B, prove that A plus B equals to 90 degrees. So we know the condition here. Tan theta equals to, always we can write here cot of 90 minus theta. Now instead of theta place, we have here A, so that tan A also we can write here cot of 90 minus A. Now this value instead of tan A place, we can replace with cot of 90 minus A. So cot of 90 minus A equals to cot B. Both sides cot can cancel. So 90 minus A equals to B. So plus A, if you transpose right hand side, A plus B equals to 90 degrees. Hence proved. Exercise 8.3, question number 5. So given here secant 4a equals to cosecant of a minus 20 degrees and they are asking to find the value of a. where 4a is an acute angle. The meaning of the acute angle, the angle should be less than 90 degrees. Now we know the condition. Secant theta we can write here also as cosecant of 90 minus theta. Now instead of this theta place, now we have 4a. So secant 4a also we can write as cosecant of 90 minus 4a. Now in the problem, instead of the secant 4a place, we can replace with cosecant of 90 minus 4a. So cosecant of 90 minus 4a equals to cosecant of a minus 20 degrees. Now both sides cosecant and cosecant get cancelled. 90 minus 4a equals to a minus 20 degrees minus 4a that side minus 20 this side. We can transpose 90 plus 20 equals to a plus 4a, then 5a equals to 110 degrees, then a equals to 110 by 5, then a equals to 5 2s are 10, 22 degrees. Therefore angle a equals to 22 degrees. If a comma b and c are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine of b plus c by 2 equals to cos a by 2. In the question they mentioned here, a, b, c are the interior angles of a triangle ABC. So interior angle of a triangle ABC, so that we can take here the sum of the three angles should be equals to 180 degrees. So sum of the three angles equals to 180 degrees. Then we are having here b plus c by 2 equals to cos of a by 2. So leave here b plus c on left hand side and we can write here 180 minus a. Angle a we can transpose towards to the right hand side. Now divide all the numbers, all the angles by 2, so that we can write here angle b plus angle c by 2 equals to 180 by 2 minus a by 2. 2 here cancellation 90 times. So angle b plus angle c by 2 equals to 90 minus a by 2. Now apply sine on both sides. Apply sine on both sides. Sine of b plus c by 2 equals to sine of 90 minus a by 2. So sine b plus c by 2 equals to sine 90 minus theta we can write as cos theta. So cos a by 2.